Izzy, today's frontside kick turns. So work on your pumping. So warm up with your pumping. Go ahead. Remember, focus on where your feet go and your rhythm of your pumping. Good job. Nice and smooth. And feel the ramp. Good. Good. And then slow yourself down a little bit. Gain some control and then start your kick turn. We'll start with some backside kick turns. Remember, pumping up, leaning in with the head, pushing on the tail, tucking into your kick turn. Good. Even more, exaggerate that pump out. Good. Big pump up. Good. Much better. That was the best one. Good. Good. Remember to lean into that front foot so you don't loop out and fall backwards. Big pump up, big turn in. Good. If you feel sketchy, adjust your feet so your toes hang over even more. Good. Your foot placement looks great. Good. Awesome. One more and then slow yourself down. Good job. Okay, now slow yourself down and now we're gonna work on front side. So slow yourself down, nice and relaxed. Remember, you're gonna wanna hang your heels so they look good already. And begin with a nice slight carve into it, then into your front foot. Ah, that's okay, but nice try.
I'm so impressed with my backside.
Yeah, you were doing that great, see? And it'll get to the point where, and it's starting to get to the point where it's just comfortable and you don't even think about it. You just start to find your rhythm and that's it. Yeah. It's almost the same, if not easier than normal pumping.
It is.
Yeah, it's a trip. Some people only do that, like they don't like going fakey at all, so they'll just only do backside kick turns over and over. Try it again. Remember to bend down early. Start carving into the heels, lifting up, tucking into, slamming into the front foot, leaning into that front foot. Almost, almost. Let's slow it down a little bit and exaggerate your pumping more. Good. Hey, there you go. So exaggerate that pumping, remember. That way you don't go backwards. And then this side, you can do a backside kick turn if you want. Good. And ultimately our goal is going to be backside, frontside, backside, frontside. Ah, good try, good try. Awesome. Remember, nice deep breath. Feel the rhythm of the ramp. Really snap up and into your carve. Remember, trying to take weight off of your board so that your board rolls up further. Then you make your turn leaning on your heels to initiate that direction change, and then really bend down, tuck down into your pump out. And I want you to start your pump out before you hit the apex, before you hit the highest part of your carve or your kick turn, okay? That way you are at the lowest center of gravity. So, because if you're standing up at the highest part of the ramp,
it's not gonna give you speed.
Gravity pulls you off the most, right? The higher you try to walk up the ramp, the more you start slipping and gravity's pulling on you harder. So, or it feels like that, but the ramp is actually pulling you in. Good. Good. Start a little bit bigger carve and initiate a big pump up. That's it. See, the bigger pump up is the secret here. Same with this, big pump up, big tuck, big pump out. Same thing. Bending down, big pump up. That's much better. There you go. Now you're getting a good rhythm. Today's the day for the back and forth. Good job. You almost have it. You want it, huh? I saw that. Bending down, big snap up. Good, much better. Good. Bending down, big snap up. Good, big tuck. Big pump up, backside, perfect. Bending down, really snap up, big tuck into it, good job. Now you can start to go backside, frontside. Try it. Backside, good. Now bend down, snap up. That's it, backside again. See? It's all right. As you get better, you'll tighten it up more. Good job. And up. That's it. And then back again. Almost. Good job. Bending down, snap up. Ah!
Ow.
It's all right. Good try.
I'm doing better.
You're doing fantastic, right? And you're finding that rhythm and it's starting to feel more comfortable. Especially it's that pump up. That pump up is the secret to take the weight off, and then your board will carve up easy into your line. Then you tuck down and into your pump. Initiate that direction change by bending down and pumping. Bending down, big pump. Good. That's it. Try to exaggerate, more pump up. I want you to ride up higher. Ride up higher, then make your carve. Really riding up. That's it. That's the good one right there. Remember to tuck into it. Big pump out. Big pump out for stability. Bending down, big snap up. Good, much better. Nice big backside turn. They look fantastic now. They look so easy for you. Front side, bending down, snap up. Ah! Yep, and your head past your front foot. All right, hey, high five.
Those backsides are way easier now.
Good job. Same thing, and ultimately as you continue to practice your backside, frontside, or even just backside, backside, or frontside, ultimately your goal is gonna be to go straight up and down the ramp. Go straight up the ramp because that's the natural path the ball would wanna take, right? Ultimately it'll be like a swing set where you just pendulum back and forth, right? And then you just incorporate your pumping.
I learned about pendulums in my science class.
Yay! Almost. Good. Bending down, snap up. Good. Big tuck into it. Exactly. Make sure you're pressing and leaning into that front foot. Good. Big tuck. Bending down, snap up. That's it. Best one yet. Good. Backside's looking fantastic. Bending down, really snap up. Ah, almost. So the other big thing you're learning is how much to push on the tail, right? Like, and you'll get that because it'll get to the point when you go straight up and down, you'll push on the tail and you'll literally just pivot. You won't even carve. You'll just pivot and wait for that pivot, and you'll feel, yep, and once you hit halfway, you push on the tail, and once you hit 90-degree turn, gravity's gonna pull you down the rest of the way, and then you just let that happen and then tuck into your pump, and you just relax and let go and let gravity and the ramp do the work. And ultimately that's skating, when you can just
let gravity do it.
You let the ramps do all the work, and then you just continue your pumping on the right time, just like a swing set. Like once you
get high enough.
Yeah, you don't really have fear when you do the swing set, you know what I mean? You just focus on when to kick your legs back and forth and just enjoy the ride. And that's what this becomes. Come on, you're doing good. Same thing. Bending down, big snap up. Try to smooth out that turn so you go straight up and down. Good, exactly, just like that. Remember, up, 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 big turn, that's better. Try to keep the shoulders with the skateboard. Good, perfect. That's better. Good, is. Big pump up. Good job. Remember, up, bending down, up. That's it, good. Exaggerate that tuck and pump. And up, good. Really snapping up into your tuck, up, good. Big pump out. Start your backside kick turns without carving. Just up, that's better, see? Let gravity do the work. Good, best one yet. Big snap up. See, there you go. Good job. Getting down it, up. Woo! Hey, good try.
That last one was good.
It was good, exactly. But sometimes your head will pass your front foot and then you just get launched off your board. Good. Exaggerate your pumping. Big press. Really bend down. Really snap up. Good. More turn, more pump out. Here it is. Big push, big pump. Bending down. Big snap up. Good, much better. Good. Yes, try not to hop. Drop in, make a line, I'll follow you. Focus on your drop in. You didn't drop in here today, did you?
I did.
All right. Try it again. Once. Do it again. Remember, big tuck. 1, 2, 3. All right, time for some launch outs. Don't run anybody over. And if you do run somebody over, make sure you go fast enough that you don't fall off. Just kidding. Heads up. All right, remember, pull your knees up. Big, hey,
wait,
big pump up. Remember, land into that bank. Go faster. Tuck into that pump. Good. Hey, that was the goods. Yeah. Okay, next one. Try to land in the down bank. Okay. Try to land in the down ramp.
Wait, can I hear the practice one first?
This is the practice one.
No!
Oh crap, Nick's in there. All right, hang on.
Wait, tall blue line?
Yeah, tall blue line. Launch up the tall blue line. Remember to pull your knees up and then wait for it. Extend down and then land into your pump. Your pump down the ramp needs to match the distance of the ramp. Okay? You could do this. Come on, focus.
There's a small child.
You got it. Hey, you had it. Good job.
I needed that so much.
That's good for you. All right, more speed. Really snap up that thing. More launch. Bending down, big pump. Woo!
Awesome.